Uh, in this video, we'll be showing you how to do data analysis instead. So I'm going to take you to the first part of this analysis. And first thing you do is go to data software. Make sure that before you start everything, you create a log file. The log file just need to keep everything that we'll be doing instead in terms of results. So when you are done, you can just check it out. So come on file, there, print, log, then again and maybe one file for us. But what did we do? And so this one we should get out of file. Then we import data. To import data on the same. For now, click import and it saves since our data which is about the here is Excel data. So first thing we want to do is to do summary but using the table command. So before we do that, we have to convert or encode the strings variable to give them a numerical value so that they can be ready for analysis. So after we did that, we had to go straight to the summary using the table command, which is this one. So digit table, then the list of all variables now that the I here is just meaning that the variable in the brackets are the variable category which shall be given by and 16. You can hit enter and come up with the detailed table. So we could get the results. So it includes the minimum and maximum value of our variable that so now we go ahead to the graph.
To create, my name is Joseph Mihaga. To create a bar graph, use the following command. The bar graph displays shows gender over 1 type. So as you can see in the bar graph here, female, male, female, male, and here we have child-headed family, nuclear family, and here we have extended family, and here we have single parent family, and here we have step family. So you will see we have to create a heat code. To create a heat code, first we stored a call space which is going to help us create a heat code. So if we hit enter, it's going to run. Then next thing we have to do is to use the hitbook command using edge across programs. So if we hit enter, the hit code is produced. So a hit code is used to create heat map graph where values are indicated by colors. So it helps us to visualize patterns, compare groups, and it also helps us to replace large table with color coded summaries. So if you see high colors, bright colors, it means there's a high variation, not high variation, I should say, but most of the data is where the car is high. Yeah. So
Thank you. My name is Chris McGregor. I'm going to take you to Kennedy density graph. Kennedy density graph is a graph that shows the distribution of continuous variable. In our case, we take the gender, we have male and female. That's the graph that brings created based on the command ability. So my colleague will come up with explanations.
Hello, my name is Innocent Duran, and as you can see on the graph, the male ages are concentrated around the age of 20, and the female ages are more spread out along the graph. And as you can see, the male age has a sharp peak, which shows that there's low variability than the female ages, which has high variability in its spread out.
Hello everyone, my name is Namtanya. I'll take you through how to create a hotspot for male and female students aged in standard 12 test. We use hotspot commands in the commands window. As you can see, we have got female as well as male, whereby the female is in terms of gender is 25%, while the male is above around 23.
Okay, guys. My name is Daniel Mundas, and I will be demonstrating how to do OS nutrition. We did this command about week 1. After running it, we show the following results, and to interpret the results, the output coefficient, which is weight 1, showed that it increased the education and the experience level.
Hello guys, my name is Sandra and I'm going to present to you how to do calculate states taste in the die. So first up, we're going to use test for elasticity. And as you can see, the chi-square is 0.000, which is less than 0.05. And now we go to take more. And then we test for PIF.
My name is Jessica Pandu, and here we're testing for VIF, which is the testing for matrimoniality. The mean VIF is less than 1.28. That means there's no problem with matrimoniality. Thank you.
First, we put the command. After doing that command, so we see the coefficients. So our coefficients are not efficient. So what we want to do is for the lunch, so my colleague will contact some. Okay, imaginate the things that show some changes in the variable. Probability of what commute to the variable. And we use the money. And it shows the relationship between averages x related to y. We have waste is over the forces affecting and affecting our people. We have p value 2.025, which is less than 0.005.
Hello guys. My name is Esa Marucha, and I'll show you how to run a Bobby model. So, running a Bobby model, first, put it with the data set in Stata using the command SIS use or the DDA create. Then I run a Bobby integration model with foreign as the independent variable, and weight and MPG as the independent variables. And these are the results. And my colleague will now continue by interpreting them. Thank you.
All right, my name is Francis Lee. Now, I'll just explain what my colleague was explaining. So the profit model is statistically significant, showing that weight and fuel efficiency influence whether a car is falling. Both variables have negative and a significant effect, meaning to say heavier cars and those with higher MPG are less likely to be falling. Thank you.
My name is Tawanda Manyoba, and I'll just give you a comment on how it came up with the table. Our variables, there are string variables, which is to say that they are text variables instead of numerical values. So what we did was to encode them. Encoding is to give numerical values to text variables. So we have to give a command encode and our variables are to change to numerical values. So we have to encode program gender, family type, encode school type, and encode face marking. So we have to give these variables which are valid to the standard application and that is there. So the minimum and the maximum. Thank you guys. This is what we got.